Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen California Ocean. This vehicle comes in the metallic paint colour Indium Grey and features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 204 PS. The vehicle also comes with a DSG automatic gearbox and also features the 4MOTION four-wheel drive technology. Across the front of the vehicle is a colour coordinated front bumper. This Cali Ocean also benefits from having LED headlamps with LED daytime driving lights. Set into the front bumper is a set of front parking sensors as well as front fog lamps with a cornering function. Down below, this vehicle comes with 18-inch Palmerston diamond turned alloy wheels which come in a multi-spoke design. This van also features an electro-hydraulic operated roof, along with a roll-out awning finished in some black coloured housing. To the rear of the vehicle there is a tailgate, and down below the vehicle comes with rear parking sensors dotted into that rear bumper. The vehicle also comes with a rear view camera system, which helps you make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. Behind the tailgate there is a spacious load area or boot space. Underneath is a perfect compartment to store luggage, and up top there is a shelf along with a comfort mattress, which can be used when the rear seats have been extended into the sleeping position. Over on the left hand side is some more storage options. The van also comes with an outdoor shower outlet. Up in the tailgate itself comes the storage for the foldable chairs, which can be tucked away very nicely and secured with a plastic clip. In the rear of this California Ocean there is a twin-seater passenger bench finished in the Art Veloz micro fleece upholstery, and there is also all the vital necessities and amenities that you would wish to find in a camper, such as this sink with a foldable tap, the 2-hob burner and a compressor fridge/cool box. Here we are looking at the upper sleeping quarters, which the roof bed can be extended, increasing headspace in the vehicle. This California Ocean also features a power sliding door, as well as blinds all around. When that rear bench has been deployed, the comfort mattress provides an excellent sleeping area, perfect for getting a full night's rest. Up front in the driver's cockpit is some more of that Art Veloz micro fleece upholstery, with 2 single seats, with 2 armrests apiece for the front passenger as well as the driver. Plenty of leg space and some excellent creature comforts, such as this dual zone climate control system complete with heated seats. The vehicle also comes with an 8-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, complete with the Discover Media Pro navigation system. Along with this there is also a digital cockpit system, which allows for a completely unique experience. This vehicle comes with minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching and goodbye.